Here are all my checks from when I started. I was able to accomplish my goal of reaching almost 2,700 with less than 27 hours. Hi, my name is Alice and I'm from Lehigh, Utah. I was working for American Airlines for 11 years in Texas. I was a supervisor. The only bad thing about that was I was working over 80 hours a week, so I never saw my family. And then when my father-in-law was diagnosed with cancer, we used most of our vacation and time off visiting Utah. So we decided to move back in September of 2022 to be with our father-in-law. We knew that he only had a few months, so we had to make a quick decision. So we did move back to Utah in September. I signed up with the NNA in October of 2022. I followed a girl on TikTok and she was talking about how she makes 6 figures with no degree and makes her own schedule. I was interested and I started following her, and I found Mark, and he was doing a video. He was talking about no notary left behind, and from that video and from his statement, I truly believe he means no notary left behind. He talked about his journey and he didn't have a mentor or any training videos, and he doesn't want the same thing for his students, and I truly believe he wants every single student to succeed, and that's why I signed up with the loan signing system. The way the loan signing system helped is it built my confidence. I did one loan signing before I found the loan signing system just by taking the NNA course, and I can tell you I could tell the difference. My confidence level and the way I walked into that signing was a different experience. I was totally prepared and ready, and I wish I found it sooner. That's my only regret. Here are all my checks from when I started. I can tell the difference from the loan signing, from having the loan signing as a tool for me. My father-in-law did pass last month, but we were able to spend from September to June with him, and I was able to have time to do that. I wouldn't have had that type of time with my family while they grieved if I worked for a company. How did it change my life, and is the loan signing system worth it? It gave me back time with my family. I am so very grateful. I am still in the beginning stages, but I wouldn't change that for the world. Time you cannot buy, and it is worth every penny. What would I say to someone who's on the fence about the loan signing system? I would say get off the fence. If you want to be a loan signing agent and you want to be successful and you want to be a signing agent, go with the loan signing system. I have referred 2 sister-in-laws who are doing amazing, and my only regret is I didn't find it sooner. I'm so very grateful for Mark and the loan signing system and for finding it.